See his reaction. This is after he did address the judge and just asked for leniency. Michael Jaafar watching along with us. We watched the trial of his mother and thought, yeah, this kid's kind of a victim too, because she was such a controlling individual telling him to do these things to his brother. But boy, the judge picked up on something completely different than maybe some of our empathetic viewers and basically said, dude, you're going to be a psychopath just like mom.
Yeah, I disagree with the judge vehemently on this. I think this is awful. I think this is a miscarriage of justice. It was his right to do it, but he threw the kid away for 1,000,000 years, right? The kid cooperated. Without the kid's help, the mother, the real monster, would not have gone to jail, period. She just wouldn't have done it, right? But more importantly, what chilling effect does this have on other people who are going to cooperate with that police department? If there's somebody in that courtroom, how are they going to convince a future member of a crime to cooperate in front of that judge? How? They can't. He just threw him away for 1,000,000 years. For what? He was the subordinate of Shanda Vander Ark. We analyzed this case to death, and this kid clearly has mental issues. Clearly is not. He's dealing with a diminished capacity, and he threw him away for 1,000,000 years. What's the impetus for future people to cooperate with this policing agency? I don't see any. And if I was in that courtroom, you saw his reaction. If I was in that courtroom, that would have been the one instance where I would have stood up and kind of yelled at a judge. What are you doing? You know, because you're getting on a soapbox and you're throwing. I mean, what are the downstream effects? You know, the beautiful kid is dead. His mom went to jail. What are the downstream impacts of what you're doing? Do you feel good about yourself for sentencing this kid in this way and then saying what you said, and you threw him away for the max? I mean, it's crazy. I always thought it was a mistake for this kid to plead guilty and not take a plea. I mean, the plea that he put together was not one where they coordinated sentencing. They just threw themselves at the mercy of the judge. I thought that was a mistake at the time, right? Mm-hmm. And here it's showing the gravity of the mistake. You know, your client is going away for 30 to 100 years. I mean, that's crazy. Your client spent 1.5 years cooperating with the prosecution. He led them down the trail to convict the mom, and the mom is an attorney who's a clerk in that court. So it was not exactly easy. She went to work in that building, and she was a clerk, a high-end attorney, and he put her behind bars by doing the right thing, and his reward for doing the right thing is to be told he's a psychopath and to be thrown away for 1,000,000 years. I think this is a travesty.
The judge also said, I don't think you're going to get the help you need from prison. Again, a shocker.